In this video, we're going to explore the border collapse property, and this is one of the items currently we have here. We have our table here, although let's make the table width a bit more appealing. Is it width 100%? That will be fine. And once we save that, there you are. That looks slightly better, although we could evenly create them, but that doesn't matter for now. So we just leave this for now. The only thing what I do want to focus on is on our space around here, because that space looks absolutely horrible and we want to fix this. So what we need to do is we need to use the border collapse property. So if we look here and if we select our table, we can search here for the border collapse. Now you can see here the border collapse is a separated item right now. It's set on separate. That's the default setting. This is why we have this space here, because this is like what we call an offset. There's some space between, and what we want to do, we want to collapse them together into one. Very similar, if you are familiar with margin collapse, this is the table collapse that we're going to work on. So we say here, or not table collapse, sorry, the border collapse for the table border lines. So we say here, border collapse, and then right now it's set on separate. If we save that, refresh, you can see it's all fine, normal, or it doesn't move an inch. However, now we say here, we're going to connect them, we say here, collapse. And if we save that and then refresh, as you can see here now, we have a collapsed border, and now the border lines are all matched together here. And this is how you can create a border line here. What we could do here, I think this is also nice to have a padding of 10 pixels here. There you are, so that looks slightly more appealing. We can maybe remove the width if that's necessary. That's slightly more appealing. I think the width could be full, but that's alright. But this is a slightly more appealing design, and it's more cleaner and neat in creating the lines for a table of border, the border table lines. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.